Okay, real quick video. There's a lot of videos out there about the 2000 Jeep 4-liter electric fan, but none actually show you how the fan connects to the shroud. So there's just 3 bolts right there, still connected to the shroud. You see it? Here's how the fan usually is mounted inside of the engine. You can see that's where it came from. You don't need to disconnect the hose or anything like that. You could just loosen up a couple of things and you can actually pull that shroud past the hose. It will hit this hose, but you can squeeze it and it'll come right out. And all you have to do is put your replacement fan onto that shroud. And we have the replacement fan right here. Just make sure you buy the correct fan to match your vehicle. And you'll see that it actually has connection points are exactly the same. Alright, tested the fan already. I know it works on 12 DC. So, alright, I'll continue the video after I get a chance to connect them up. I'm gonna grab something to eat, finish the install in a few minutes. Okay, new fan is in. Let's see. Yep, just left my 10mm socket was on there. Alright, so just a 10mm socket, 3 bolts. Take it right off, put them right back on, hit them with some PB Blaster just so they'll loosen up. These were pretty corroded, but in the end they did spin freely and the fan is in with no complaints. Here's the new connector. It's the same length as the old one. Just have to connect it once I get it installed in the engine. Alright, come right back and install it in the engine, see how this works. Bye. There you have it. Fan is definitely spinning. Sorry about my lighting condition, I can't really control that, but take my word for it, it's spinning. And the old fan basically seemed like the motor still was working, but the fan seemed to have become disengaged from the motor, so it was largely unreliable. So, you know, that's no good. Old fan. New fan. What do you mean? There, just stop spinning. Just pull the engine out.